In today's video, I will show you how to fix 8-ball pool not working on BlueStacks 5. Let's get it running smoothly in just few simple steps. First thing first, make sure you are running the latest official version of BlueStacks 5. Running an outdated version can cause issues with games like 8-ball pool. So to do this, open your preferred web browser. I'm using Google Chrome and head to bluestack.com, the official website. Once there, find the option to see all versions. Click it and you will be redirected to a page where you can download the latest BlueStacks 5 version of your PC or laptop. So after downloading, the installer will run automatically. Just follow the prompts to complete the installation. This ensures you have the most stable and updated version of BlueStacks 5. If you already have 8-ball pool installed, simply uninstall it first, then reinstall the game through BlueStacks 5. This should fix any issue and get the game running properly. And that's it for today's video. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.